Hey, what's up? It's the Sexy Ass Welder here. It's kind of first step of turning my van into a shop. Here's the van, 1992 Grumman. Here's my cousin. He's got to say hello. And he's about to help me get this Cummins 10,000 watt generator out of here, because I've replaced it with a quiet Honda. So first goal of my shop upgrade is to take this out and put a Honda there next to the driver's seat, and it will exhaust out the side. So that's kind of the name of the game. Wish me luck.
I bought this van in 2023. Right now it's almost Halloween 2025, and I've been putting in some work up until now while I held my day job. So here's a little slideshow of what I've done so far. Enjoy.
Just got my new door. Welcome, this is the shop. Ready to go. Pretty happy with my door. Just gotta put a little termination piece and boom!